Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD in Ghana. Today I'm taking you back to Auntie Rejoice for her to make us a very delicious Ghanaian snack. Come with me and let's go. But if you are new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's go. Guys, as I said earlier on, we are with Mama Rejoice again, and she's going to make us a very special snack again. Mama Rejoice, I'm going to do now.
Awiesu.
Yeah.
Wow,
tennis Awiesu now be ya maye. Wow. Not just Awiesu de a snack be a Ghana will be a ye. Inti enya ngrafo nya asante obi a ye de yes snack no.
Awiesu no. Awiesu obi a de Awiesu sa na mo frɛ no Awiesu. Me na Awiesu kwa na menyem sa na mo frɛ no Awiesu.
And not just a means meaning some friend Bamfo Bisi. A deep back meaning, but if you also know another name for Bamfo Bisi or Awiesu, please comment below and let me know the name you call in your culture. Mama Pachunti, you know now the bay Awiesu.
Awiesu no a blossom.
A blossom.
And then katie.
Wow.
And then chini.
Alright.
And angwa.
Alright.
And a sugar.
So the ingredients you'll be using is corn flour, peanuts, salt to taste, oil for frying, and sugar. So these are the ingredients she's going to use for the Awiesu. First, she will add salt to the boiling water. So she's adding some corn flour to the water to make some porridge to make the Awiesu. This is the same process of making akpele. So if you know how to make akpele, this will be very easy for you to make. Yeah, so she go ahead and pour it in the hot water and make the porridge. Just so you know the air though, when you cook food with firewood, even the taste is different. Guys, as you can see, she's using a local cooker and no anyone with firewood, and it makes the food taste really special. This is the traditional way of cooking using firewood.
It's a Awiesu no.
Yeah.
It's a with the sugar so. Me ya cocoa. Maybe I make cocoa in it, me start kakra.
All right. So she's making it like she's making a penny or 2 is half. But this is thick, very more thicker than the aquile or the diogro. Go ahead and add the rest of the porridge. That is what you want to say. Being to say, Bankuna, I say, I saw baby. All right, perfect. Into Pacho, you see, you want a chair with you. I mean, Anna. One Anna Bakuna. Hey, that's just all I know you're superwoman. Wouldn't be whoa. Oh, yes, if I told my son, no, but I bear man a chair when you're back. Oh, you're back. I got the man a chair. It's a berry. Wow. It's ready. She has some of the corn flour here, so she's going to remove it and put it together. Yes.
Let me see the sugar kakra. Let me see no bed. Okay,
so the sugar is always to your taste. If you want it more sweet, you add more sugar. If you want it in between, so the sugar is always to your taste.
Let me see. The sugar.
Ready, so she'll go ahead and mold them. She's now molding the Awiesu like an egg shape. Yeah, girl. So, Mama, tell me now and cut any begum. And as I'm cutting your betchini area frana.
There be yenchi, say me boya. Me the best in cutting.
Yeah,
me bet to.
Okay. So she says that after she has finished molding, she's going to use the peanut to garnish it, to just use it around it, so like it will serve like a garnish around the Awiesu. Guys, let me also try my hands on. Say, Mama, Aneso. I've only done one and she's almost done everything. Food is always culture. So if we're Nigerian, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, or any part of the world, and there is any special food made out of maize, please comment below and let me know. And if there is any food similar to this one made with corn or maize, please comment below and let me know how it is, and the name and how it's been made. It's time to use our peanuts to garnish our Awiesu. Oh, it's Mama fan out there. She said you have to press it in, because if you don't press it in, they all come out from it. So you really have to press it very hard. So these are some of the healthy snacks we have in Africa. The peanuts and this is also pure maize, so it's not polished one. It's with it's 100% pure maize, so you can see that it has a lot of fiber in here. Oh, they are really so healthy, very healthy snacks. Now, Mama, do you know so crowd? They say, "Would you want me pa?"
Hey, but no,
because said they sit here, dear.
Anybody
The dear say, "Would you?" Obe me pa.
That's what I need to call Lebanon or my Chiman. Also, you know, Hamas. And say,
Sir?
Say,
Wow. No, I say, Mpachon ti se wa fa nkatia no anhyehyɛ ho sei na se uchi wi a obetimi nso ne nkatia re.
Obetimi ade awi. But o dey yes ya, ede.
Oh, emane more tasty. Yeah. It will drink pepper na nrafo mu oya amode nom. As unya asan na ne be kopa o.
Bia.
So bolo
kura
betimi didi koko. Wow. We're done with our Awiesu.
Yeah, my way, maybe Awiesu best. I want.
She's frying with coconut oil, and anytime you are using coconut oil, don't think about it because coconut oil is a healthy oil. Our Awiesu is doing perfect. Guys, just have a look. Said yes, wow. Look at the peanuts. Everything is really on point. Wow, guys. Enyago is doing so perfect. Mama Pacho, it's me a cocoa. Wow, guys, she said you can even enjoy with your porridge. So any type of porridge, bean, oats, and maize porridge, whatever porridge that you have, you can use it to eat. So to me, so the name Fanta. Oh, not just it's also a perfect snack in between your meals with your malt and Fanta sobolo asana. Bibi will be just enjoy with it. Yeah. Our Awiesu is ready, so she go ahead and remove it from the oil. Guys, just have a look. Awiesu papa bi Bamfo Bisi papa bi.
I was saying, who you're saying, oh, yeah, gre. Come on. You Awiesu, Moon is here. Oh, Papa, near or tables, no, who come on, but what do you say? Oh, dear, gre.
So, guys, this is real Awiesu. Now, what she meant was that if you really want it, they have two different ways to make it. If you mold it with your hands as she did it, the outcome will be very crispy and crunchy. But if you want the outside to be smooth, you can make it on table. Then it will be very smooth, but it won't be crispy like this. So this is more crispy. We wanted it to be crunchy. That's why she made it with her hand, molded it with her hand like this. So that is the difference here. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy snack from Ghana. But guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. Auntie Rejoice, thank you so much for having us. I'm going to leave her telephone number on the description box below. So if you need anything from Ghana, any snack or anything you wanted her to make, please contact her. And you can also check the video I made with her, Agbelakakro video with on the channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye.